Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about bar chart with error bars. Here is bar chart with error bars. We are having the bar charts and we are having caps for the errors. Okay, so how can we draw this? In order to draw that, first of all, we are importing the necessary libraries. We are having our category and our data set. For category A, we are having the data set of 10. For category B, we are having the data set value to be 20. For C, we are having value 15. For D, we are having value 30. And for E, we are having value 25. Then we are having the figure size. We want to have a 6 by 4 figure. Then we are having here the errors. Okay, these are the error values. For example, for the category A, the value is 10, but it can have 2 units of errors, either above 10 or lower than 10. Okay, 2 units above, 2 units lower. So here in A, we are having the value up until 10, but we are having the cap starting from 2 units lower than 10, which is 8, until 2 units after 10, which is 12. So from 8 to 12, it is there, the cap. Okay, so this is how we can consider error bars. For example, for category B, we are having values 20 and we are having the errors of 30. It means that it can go to 23 or it can have as low as 17. So when we come here, we are having the value of category B, which is labeled at 20, but we are having 3, the value of the error is 3. Okay, so it can go from 20, it can go up to 23, which is here, and it can go down up to 17, which is here. So we are having the cap here. So in order to draw that, first of all, we need to have the errors. So error values we need to have for each category. We are having 5 categories, we are having 5 values, and we are having 5 errors. Okay. Then in order to integrate the errors, we call the bar function. As always, we are having the categories and values. Then we are having the YERR equals errors. So this is going to add vertical error bars to the bar in the chart. Okay, this function, actually, this part of the bar function is adding these vertical caps. Okay, these vertical error bars you see here are added by this part of the code. Okay, so YERR equals to errors. So errors, we define it here. So we are assigning it to be here to the year, let's say, and this is how it's going to help us to have the error bars here. Okay, then we are having the cap size. This cap size is going to help us to have the horizontal size of the cap. For example, now it's 5. If I have, instead of 5, if I have 50, we see that here they are much larger. So, okay, you see now the difference, the horizontal size of our cap. Now it's too big, I think. So let's go back to 5. So we see now, okay, it makes sense now, but you can customize it as you wish. So this part is going to have the vertical error bars to the bar in the chart. The values in the error specify the length of the error bars for each category. Okay, the value of the error is going to specify the length of error bars in each category. Then this part also is going to help us to have the size of the horizontal caps at the end of the error bars, make it more visible, let's say. Then we are having the color dark orange. Okay, and edge color is black. So edge color is black. So this is how we managed everything. And we are having the title, we are having the x-axis title label, let's say y-axis label, and display function, which is show. Okay, show function, which is going to display the chart for us. So this is how we can draw a chart a bar chart, let's say, with error bars. Thank you for watching.